Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the next part of the remaining SBI PO prelims. Find the approximate value in the following questions. So here you need to calculate the approximate value, no need to calculate the exact value. 2197 approximate 2197.02. So cube root of 2197, that is 13, plus 343 cube root, that is 7, is equal to x square minus 40 root plus 11. Now 20 minus 11 is 9. 9 is equal to x square minus 40, or else x square minus 40 is equal to 81, x square is equal to 121, x is equal to root 121, that is 11. So 11 is the correct answer. 11 is the correct answer. See the next question. See the next question. 29.99%, that means 30%. 30% of 625 by 5% of 1000 into 24 minus 40 x cube minus 21 into 22, that is 462. 462. Now see this. 30% of 625. So 30% of 625. So 1% of 10% of 625 is 62.5. 30% means 62.5 into 3, that is 187.5 by 5% of 1000. 10% of 1000 is 100. 5% means 50. 50 into 24 into 24 into 24 minus 40 plus 462 is plus 422 is equal to x cube. Now do this calculation. 25 twos, 25 sevens, 175, 25 fives, 2 ones, 2 twelves. That is 90 plus 422. So 512. 512 is equal to x cube. X is equal to cube root of 512, that is equal to 8. 8 is the correct answer. Next question. 79.899, that is 80% of 2500 plus 226 minus 412 minus 4 is equal to x square plus 441. Do the calculation. 4 by 5 of 2500. This is 200 plus 226, 426, 426 minus 416, that is 10. So this is 2000. 2226 minus 416, 2226 minus 416 minus 441 is equal to x square. So 2226 minus 857, that will give 1369. So x is equal to root of 1369. What is the root value for 1369? 37. 37 is the correct answer. See the next question. X percent of 843.5. So x by 100 into 843 minus 127 minus 116, sorry, this is 116, is equal to 522. See here, 127 minus 116, 243. 843 minus 243, 600. 600 by 100 is 6x. 6x is equal to 522. X is equal to 522 by 6. That will give 87. 87 is the correct answer. 87 is the correct answer. See the next question. X plus 50%, 150% means 3 by 2 into 250 is equal to 46 into 12. Now do the calculations part. 2 ones, 2 125s. Then this is x plus 375 is equal to 46 into 12, 552. X is equal to 552 minus 375. That will give 177. 177 is the correct answer. Next, 66 to 70. Study the passage given below carefully, then answer the questions. So here one passage is there. You should see that passage, then you answer the question. In a school there are 243 students. Students in 4 are 50% more. 50% more than in 2. That means class 2 it will be 2x. Always 50% more means 150%, that is 3 by 2. So second class 2x, then fourth class will be 3x. Fourth class will be 3x. Then students in 3 are 10 more than 2. So in 3, second class 10 more. So 2x plus 10. Students in 5 are 80% of class 4. So 80% means 4 by 5 of 3x. 4 by 5 of 3x. That is 12x by 5, that is 2.4x. This is 2.4x. Now 1 to 5, the ratio is 15 is to 16. That means 16 is equal to 2.4x. 15 is equal to how much? 15 by 16 into 2.4. 8 2s, 8.3s. 4.5 by 2, that is 2.25x. So this is first class, 2.25x. All total students are 243. So if you add this total, 2x plus 3x plus 2x plus 10 plus 2.4 plus 2.25. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2.4, 9.4, 9.4 plus 2.25, that is 11.65x is equal to, this plus 10 if you go to the other side, that is 233. 243 minus 10, 233. So x is equal to 233.00 by 1165, that is 20. So x value we are getting 20. If x value we are getting 20, now we can frame one table. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Now we can draw one table like this. See here, this table. First class 2.25x, that means 2.25 into 20, that is 45. Second class 2x, 2 into 20, 40. Third class 2x plus 10, that is 50. Fourth class 3x, 3 into 20, 60. Fifth class 2.4x, 2.4 into 20, 48. Taking this into consideration, now we have to answer the given questions. Now see first question. See the first question. If the ratio of boys to girls in 1 and 4 is 3 is to 2 and 8 is to 7. 1 and 4. Boys, girls. 3 is to 2, 8 is to 7. Now, girls in 1 and 4. So, what is girls in 1 and 4? In class 1, 45. Girls 2 by 5. That is 18. Now, this is first class. In fourth class, girls 60 into 7 by 15. That is 28. This is fourth class girls. Together is what percent? 28 plus 28 plus 18, 46. It is what percent of total students into? That is 40 into 100. 22s, 25s, 2 ones, 223. So what is 23 into 5? That is 115%. 115% is the correct answer. 115% is the correct answer. See the next question. See the next question. If the ratio of students who play basketball, football and cricket in 3 and 5 are in the ratio of, so there are 3 games, basketball, football, cricket, 3 and 5. 2 is to 1 is to 2, 2 is to 3 is to 3. Find the students who play football in these 2 classes. Now football, first football of these 2 classes. Which class? Third class, fourth class. Third class 50. Middle football, out of 2 is to 1 is to 2, it is 1. So 50 into 1 by 5, that is 10. This is third class. Now fifth class, football fifth class, football fifth class. Fifth class total students 48. Football means 3 by total 8, that is 18. This is fifth class. Total it is 28. Now cricket in these 2 classes. Cricket third class, 50 into 2 by 5, that is 20. Cricket in 5th class, cricket in 5th class, 48 into, cricket is this one, 3 by 8, that is 18. Total it will be 38. What is the ratio? What is 28 is to 38? 2 14s, 2 19s. 14 is to 19 is the correct answer. 14 is to 19. We don't have that, so it is none of the above. See the next question. See the next question, 68 question. If the ratio of boys to girls in class 2 is 2 is to 3 and the average weight of boys in 2 is 40 and average weight of girls in class 2 is 25, then find the average weight of class 2. See here. In class 2, girls and boys are 2 is to 3. That means out of 40, girls 2 parts, boys 5 parts. Total 40 by 5, 8. So there will be 16 girls, 24 boys. And the average weight of boys is 40. Average weight of girls is 25. So boys is 40. Girls will be 25. Total by 40. So if you do this, this is 960, this is 400. 960 plus 400. That is 1360 by 40. That will give 34. 34 is the correct answer. So average weight is 34 kg. 34 kg is the correct answer. See the next question. Find the average number of students in 1, 3, 5 together. In 1, 3, 5, what is the average student? See here. In first class we are having 45. In third class we are having 50. In fifth class 48. Totally 138 by 3, that is 46. So the answer is 46. Answer is 46. Now see the next question. If the total number of students in class 4, class 6 are equal to 150% of average number of students in class 2 and class 5. So class 2, class 5 first. Class 2 we are having 40, 48. Total 88. Total 88. Average means 88 by 2, that is 44. Now class 6, the total students are 150%. 150% means 3 by 2 of average of 2 and 4, that is 44. That is 66. Now find the difference between 6th class and 4th class. In 4th class we are having 60, this is 66. The difference is 6. What is the difference? 66 minus 60, that is 6. 6 means option 4 is the correct answer. Option 4 is the correct answer. Now we will discuss the English paper. Now we will discuss the English section. See this one, English. So except reading comprehension, remaining thing we will discuss today. Reading comprehension, except reading comprehension, remaining thing. Rearrange the following 6 sentences in a proper sequence so as to form a meaningful para, then answer the question. So here we are having 6 sentences. We need to arrange them in the proper order so as to answer the given question. See here, these nuggets. So nuggets is nothing but small pieces of value. What is the meaning of nuggets? Small pieces of value. Nuggets means small pieces of value. Contain words of caution because many young middle class Chinese who gear up during the nation's glittering boom years. That means developing years. Glittering boom years means developing years. Or suddenly confronting. Confronting means facing the shadow of economic slowdown and even hints of austerity. Austerity means stagnation. Austerity means stagnation. That means without any growth. Stagnation in the sense without any growth. Without any growth. Now, titled Guide on Safe Passage Through Economic Crisis. Through economic crisis. Is aimed at young Chinese urban professionals. Recently, an advice column has been circulating widely on Chinese most popular social media phone app. Its nuggets of wisdom include work hard at your job so you are the last to be laid off. And in an economic crisis, liquidity is the number one priority. By austerity, they mean simply cancelling vacations and delaying weddings and even selling recently purchased apartments to have cash on hand. These frantic measures are prompting leaders. These frantic measures are prompting leaders to take appropriate steps to bring the situation under the control. These frantic, what is the meaning of frantic? Hurried measures. Now here we are talking about the Chinese economy and how the youth should cope with the Chinese economy. Now we have to arrange these sentences. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First, recently an advice column has been circulated widely on China's most social media app. First one is C. Recently we are seeing a column, an article on social media phone app that is regarding some advice. So recently there has been some advice column that has been circulating widely among China's most popular social media app. So where the passage is, it is in China. So that should be first. See the next one. A column should have some title. So what is the title? Titled Guide on Safe Passage Through Economic Crisis is aimed at young Chinese professionals. So we are seeing the column, we are seeing the article. What is the article and what is the title of the article? The title of the article is Guiding on Safe Passage Through Economic Crisis. How to go safely when we are having economic crisis. How to face the economic crisis safely. So that is the title of the column. And for whom it is targeting? It is targeted at young Chinese urban professionals. This is the second one. Next, its nuggets of wisdom include. So what is there in the column? What is there in that article? In this article, it is particularly mentioned, work hard at your job. While at economic crisis, so many people will be losing the jobs. So what is the main thing that is included? What is the main word or main words which are having value in that column? Work hard at your job. In terms of economic crisis, if you don't want your job to get loose, what you should do? You should work hard at your job so that you are the last to be laid off. So you should work hard in such a way that the company needs you. So you should not be taken out of the work. So work hard at your job. So you are the last to be laid off. And in economic crisis, liquidity is the number one priority. What is the meaning of liquidity? Having the money with you, having the money in hand is most important in the times of the economic crisis. So D is the next one. Next, these nuggets, its nuggets, for that continuation. These nuggets. So this article is saying some important words. This is the word. Also, what is included? These nuggets also contain the words of caution because many young middle class Chinese who gear up during nationals glittering are suddenly confronting the shadow of economic showdown and even hints of austerity. Why these words have attained value now? Because nowadays China is facing economic slowdown. That means there is a chance of so many people losing the jobs, and so many people will be in the short of money. So now these words have attained importance based on the China's economic condition at present. So A is the next one. Next, by austerity. Here we have mentioned austerity. What is the meaning of austerity? Austerity means cancelling vacations and delaying weddings. Just to stop the unnecessary spending. When you are having economic crisis, you should cut down your spending. You should not spend lavishly. You should spend very limitedly. So to spend very limitedly, what we need to do? We need to cancel the vacations and we need to delay our weddings. So delay. If you want to conduct a wedding, it requires a lot of money. So just we delay the wedding because at present we are facing economic crisis. And even selling recently purchased apartments to have cash in hand. So having cash in hand is important. So for that, what we are doing, we are selling the apartment or else the valuable items of us. So that is the meaning of austerity. These frantic measures are prompting the leaders to take appropriate steps to bring the situation under control. So this is very sad situation. That means if you go in this situation, the country economy will collapse. So the leaders should act promptly and they should take necessary action to bring the situation under the control. So last one is F. So CBD AEF is the correct answer. CBD AEF is the correct order. Now you come to the questions. Now see here. Which of the following? CBD AEF. CBD AEF. Which of the following is the fourth one? Fourth one is A. Which of the following is second? Second one is B. Second one is B. Now. Next. Which of the following is the last one? Last one is F. Which of the following is fifth one? E. Which of the following is first one? C. See the next question. 76 to 80. Each sentence below has two blanks, each indicating something has been omitted. Choose the words that best fits the meaning of the sentence as a whole. Now here there are some blanks given. You should understand the sentence. Now based on that we should answer the question. See the first one. The actress is the actress is dash that she will be spending her birthday with her husband and other dash of the family. The actress is dash. So here what you should fill in the blanks. Now you cannot understand the first blank, but if you take the second blank it will be very easy. And other dash of the family. So in the family along with us whom they are living, we will call them as our family members. So here what you should get in the second blank? Members, not people of the family, members of the family. Family is one group. So in that group all belong to one particular family. So members of the family is correct. So in the second blank it will be members. Since in the second blank it will be members, first blank will be thrilled. So the actress is thrilled. That means very excited that she will be spending her birthday with her husband and other members of the family. So partners we won't call. In a business we call them as partners. So in a family, all the other members whom we are living with, they are called as the family members. So members is correct as per the second blank. So first one is thrilled. Then ecstatic means joyful. Ecstatic means joyful. Ecstatic means joyful. What is the meaning of ecstatic? Joyful. Then object means, what is the meaning of object? Pride. Object means pride, not object. This is object, pride. So which one is correct? Only fifth one is correct. Only fifth one is correct. Fifth one means thrilled members. Mundane. What is the meaning of mundane? Lack of interest. Mundane means lack of interest. So here thrilled members is correct. The actress is thrilled that she will be spending her birthday with her husband and other members of the family. See the next one. See the next question. Steep hills and low-rise traditional buildings that once dash the mosque have in recent years given dash to shopping malls and luxury hotels. Steep hills and low-rise traditional buildings that once surrounded the mosque have in recent years given way to shopping malls and luxury hotels. So we are talking about what are there nearby surrounding the mosque. So surrounded is correct. Steep hills and low rise buildings that once surrounded the mosque. That means beside the mosque and before the mosque there were so many steep hills and small buildings. Now all the buildings have been collapsed and they have given way to shopping malls and luxury hotels. Now in place of the traditional buildings, traditional old buildings, all the traditional buildings have been collapsed. Now there are so many shopping malls and luxury hotels near that mosque. So which one is correct? Surrounded is correct. So surrounded by means round. So front and back and side. So that is called as surrounded. So steep hills and low rise traditional buildings that once surrounded the mosque have in recent years given way to shopping malls and luxury hotels. So only fifth one is correct. See the next one. Scientific research has now dashed that a fish-rich diet can help dash depression. Scientific research has now confirmed. Now research is confirming one thing. So confirm that a fish-rich diet can help curb. Curb means control. Curb means control. This is very easy blank. Second one we can easily understand. Fish-rich diet. So fish is very good for health. If you take fish as in our diet, it will help to cure so many problems. In that one problem is depression. So if you want to come out of the depression, you should have the fish-rich diet. So scientific research has now confirmed that thing. So scientific research has now confirmed that a fish-rich diet can help curb depression is correct. So which one is correct? Second one is correct. Next. The actress who has put on lots of weight to effectively dash the characters she played in the film looks like a dash heroine now. The actress who put a lot of weight to effectively dash the character, to effectively depict means show. Depict means show. To effectively show is correct. So here show is not there. For that you can use the word depict. Character she played looks like a conventional. Conventional means traditional. So for one movie the actress has put lot of weight because she is playing some character related to weight, the person who is having more weight. For that she has put more weight. Now the film is over. Now she is looking at like a regular conventional hero. heroine. The actress who put a lot of weight to effectively depict the character she played in her film looks like a conventional heroine now. So first one is correct. First one is correct. See the next one. Even as he dashed himself for his debut film means first film. The comedian is dashed getting a taste of how some friendships in showbiz come with a price tag. Even as he readies himself, that means still he is going to appear in his first film. That means he is getting ready for his first film. So which word is correct? Readies is correct. One person is getting ready for the first film as a comedian. He is getting a chance as a comedian in his first film. So still he didn't get the first chance, but he is getting so many offers because of some friendships in the film industry. If there is background in the film industry, so many offers will come to one particular actor or actress. That means the background in film industry will help to get more offers. So even as he readies himself for his film debut, the comedian is allegedly getting a taste of how some friendships in showbiz come with a price tag. Because he has come from a rich family, so many are giving the offers to act in the films. Because he has come from a price tag. Price tag means rich family. So many film producers are offering the roles. Even though he didn't complete his first film, he is getting so many offers. Because he is from a rich family. So which one is correct? Second one is correct. See the next one. (81 to 85). In the following questions, read each sentence to find out whether there is any grammatical error in it. The error, if any, will be in one part of the sentence. Select the part with the error as your answer. If there is no error, select no error as the answer. Ignore the errors of punctuation, if any. The pledges that countries are making to battle climate change will still result in the world heating up by more than 6 degrees Celsius. So, will still result in, that means we are talking about the past tense. Result in means past tense. So, heating is not correct, heated up is correct. The pledges that countries are making to battle climate change. So many countries are making the pledges to fight the climatic change, to battle the climatic change, will result in the world heated up by more than 6 degrees Celsius. So they are taking the pledges to battle, to fight the climate change, but they are not taking any action. Due to that, the temperature has raised by again 6 degrees Celsius more. So result in means related to past. So we should not use heating up, we should use heated up. Heated up is the correct one. See the next question. When it comes to helping one another, it turns out that some fish are better than previously thought. When it comes to help, not helping. When it comes to help. So after to we should always use first form of the verb. So we should use help, not inform. When it comes to help. When it comes to helping. It is singular. So singular verb you should use. You should use singular verb. Singular verb is comes. Come is the plural verb. You should use singular verb. Because it is singular, we should use comes. When it comes to helping one another, it turns out that some fish are better at it rather than previously thought. So, even though we will be having so many friends with us, we will be having so many friend circle, but when it comes to helping nature, only some people will have better helping nature. Some are friends only for the namesake. They will not help you or they will not come for your rescue in your hard times. So when it comes to rescue or when it comes to help, only some people are better than other people. Here fish means people. Some people are better at it than previously thought. So here we are using it. So it is a singular. You use singular verb, that is comes. Come is a plural verb and it should not be used. Next. Every child in our country has the right to acquire quality primary and secondary education. So right to education is also a fundamental right. Every child in our country has the right to acquire quality primary and secondary education. Here in the given sentence there is no error. No error is the correct answer. No error is the correct answer. See the next one. The club members are socially responsible and taking part in various. Here variety is not correct. Different and many activities. So many activities means we should use various or many. So instead of variety, it is not variety. Variety is different. So that is not correct. The club members are socially responsible and take part in various. Various means huge number of volunteering activities. A very huge number of volunteering activities. So many people are taking part. So here we should not use variety. We should use various. Various is the correct one. See the next one. On Sunday night, a rare astronomical phenomena will have produced. So here only the error is there. On Sunday, a rare astronomical phenomena will have is not correct. That will appear slightly bigger than usual and have a reddish hue. On Sunday night, a rare astronomical phenomena will have produced is not correct. Will occur. Will produce is correct. Will produce. Don't use have. Have we should use for just complete direction. So will produce. On Sunday night, a rare astronomical phenomena will produce a moon that will appear slightly bigger than the usual and have reddish hue. So on Sunday night, we are going to see moon which is slightly bigger than the normal one and is having a reddish hue. That will going to occur. So on Sunday night, a rare astronomical phenomena will produce is correct. Will produce is correct. Will produce. Next. Don't use have in the previous sentence. Now 86 to 90. Now 86 to 90. In the following passage there are blanks, each of which has been numbered. Against each, 5 words are suggested. One of which fills the blank appropriately. Find out the appropriate word in each case. A dash of affecting the quality of primary education appears to be dash level of teacher motivation. In 2002-2003, 25% of the primary school teachers in rural India were absent on any given day. The impact of absenteeism is dashed by the fact that the average primary school in India has a workforce of no more than 3 teachers. The obvious reason, remuneration, does not appear to be a dash. In fact, both education experts and ordinary citizens dash that government employed school teachers are paid relatively well. UNESCO surveys from early as 2004 indicated that annual statutory salary of primary school teacher in India with 15 years experience was more than $14,000. So here you see this is called as the close test. A dash affecting the quality of primary education. So what should come? A dash affecting the quality of primary education. So here what should come? a dash affecting. A means singular. A key. Key is correct. A key affecting. A key affecting the quality of primary education appears to be. So, affecting means in the negative sense. Negative sense in the sense high levels of teacher motivation or low levels of teacher motivation. So, here we are having high also low. So, which one is correct? Low. Appears to be low level. Because of the negative effect on primary education, there is low level of teacher motivation. A key effect in the quality of primary education appear to be low level of teacher motivation. Because the teacher motivation is very less, it is affecting the primary education in our country very much. In 2002-2003, 25% of primary school teachers in rural India were absent on any given day. So in 2002-2003, 25% of primary school teachers in rural India were absent on any given day. So in villages there are so many government schools, but the teachers they will not go to the school regularly. In 2002-2003 on any given day, 1/4 of the teachers will remain absent. So if teachers are remaining absent for 1/4, so students will not get any education. That means their negligence will have the negative effect on the students. The impact of absenteeism is dashed by the fact why they are being absent, why they are absent, what is the reason for their absence. What is the reason for their absence? Excaribrated. So here which word we should use? Excaribrated. Excaribrated. So excaribrated we should use. Excaribrated means problem or negative. Negative situation. Negative situation. Negative situation. So here the impact of absenteeism. What is the impact of absenteeism? If teachers are absent, what impact it will have? Negative impact. So we should use excaribrated. Excaribrated means negative impact. By the fact that average primary school in India has a workforce of no more than 2 to 3 teachers. So there are so many classes, but the teachers are very less. So if the teachers are very less, that means they will not be able to teach all the students properly. Why the teachers are very less? Why so many are not coming into teaching field? What is the reason? The obvious reason, remuneration does not appear to be dash. Why so many are not coming into teaching field? What is the reason? Because of the salaries. Because of the salaries. Remuneration does not appear to be. The remuneration does not appear to be a case. See. The obvious reason, remuneration does not appear to be a case. So remuneration is not the problem. The government teachers, they are getting much more salaries. So remuneration is not a problem. Remuneration is not a problem. In fact, both education experts and ordinary citizens argue that. In fact, education experts and ordinary citizens argue that government employed school teachers are paid relatively well. Since they are paid relatively well, the remuneration does not the problem. Why the teachers are absent regularly? What is the reason? Are they getting the low salaries? That is not correct. They are getting good salaries. UNESCO surveys from as early as 2004 indicated that annual statutory salary of primary school teacher in India with 15-year experience was more than $14,000. So if a school teacher is having more than 15 years experience, he is getting nearly $14,000 per 1 year. So salary is not a problem. The main problem is lack of accountability. All the private government school teachers, they will be working in some private schools and they will not take care of the government school children. That is the reason in India nowadays so many private schools have come. Even though there are government schools in each and every village, now there are so many private and corporate schools, they are taking lakhs together as the fees. Why that has come? Why that situation has come? Because the government have started the schools, but they are not taking strict action against the teachers who are not coming to the schools. Only thing is negligence of the government is there in the primary education in India. So that is the main reason. So, a key affecting the quality of primary education appears to be low level of teacher motivation. In 2002-2003, 25% of the primary school teachers in rural India were absent on any given day. The impact of absenteeism is exacerbated by the fact that the average primary school in India has a workforce of no more than 3 teachers. The obvious reason, remuneration does not appear to be a case. In fact, both education experts and ordinary citizens argue that government employed school teachers are paid relatively well. UNESCO surveys from as early as 2004 indicated that annual statutory salary of primary school teacher in India with 15-year experience was more than $14,000. With this, we completed paper number 1 SBI PO prelims. In the next class, we will discuss the second paper of SBI PO prelims.